right, so this F is finances.
Yep.
So finance, so big F. What the F? This F is like huge. And we are going to talk about how this F is really a catalyst to either expose or reveal things in your heart, right? And I love this F. We have both gone through so much as far as this F is concerned, more than any other F, honestly. And it's been a very beautiful journey. And we want to talk about how finances is connected to the presence of God, how through bad programming, which causes limiting beliefs, which causes a state of being that then causes actions, habits, and all that stuff, is affecting us, our mindset around finances, and how, again, my intimate union and my awareness and my relationship with the presence of God within me ought to be that main supply and not finances. Because to me, finances, if you think about it, it gives us a sense of safety and significance. All of these things should come fundamentally from this union, this eternal life in me here and now.
Yep.
And so then that flashes out as tangible money for the most part. And we'll talk more about that. But maybe you can touch for like 1 minute on finances and even trauma and disappointment and that kind of stuff. How are we going to talk about that?
Yeah, I mean, we live in a generation that is very instant. Everything's fast, fast food, drive-thrus, microwaves, overnight. And I think we think of finances in the same, that it should happen fast or something's wrong. And that is often not how God does it. He uses finances to shape you on the inside first, before you are prepared for the outside of, whatever it is for you, abundance or provision, or, not that He won't provide, but we're going to talk about all those things, like how process plays into finance, how, knowing and being in tune with God's timing for finance is a huge catalyst for things coming into alignment ultimately, and it fleshing out, So we're going to talk about it. It's going to be nitty gritty and very vulnerable shares, but we're going to, get into all the practicals and also the heart stuff regarding finances, which we're very passionate about. So
yeah, I'm very passionate about this one. I think we both are, because we've been through a lot in this F, and realizing that there was some trauma from disappointment. Did you know that there's a thing called minor and major trauma? And there was some minor trauma as it relates to disappointment from finances or lack thereof. And we're very excited to talk about how this process is going to bring healing and bring abundance. So stay tuned.